Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Wave. If Generative Fill isn't working in Adobe Photoshop, here's how to fix it. First, ensure you're using Photoshop 2024 or latest, as Generative Fill is only available in updated versions. Check for updates by going to Help Updates in Photoshop or through the Creative Cloud app. Next, verify that you are logged in to your Adobe account with an active subscription. Generative Fill requires an internet connection, so ensure your connection is stable and reliable. If the feature is still not working, reset Photoshop preferences. Go to Edit, Preferences, General, and click Reset Preferences on Quit. Restart Photoshop and try again. Finally, if none of the steps resolve the issue, reinstall Photoshop. Uninstall it from the Creative Cloud app, then download and reinstall the latest version. Thank you for watching How to Wave. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.